edit a post on Instagram after you editing it before on your Instagram account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will go to Instagram, then open it. After this, when Instagram is open, you will just go down here and click on your profile. Then you will go to the post that you wanna edit again. For example, this post I wanna edit it again. I will just go to this 3 point here. Then I will go to edit, and then for example I will tag people that I wanna tag, or add location, or add series, or anything I wanna add, or just add the title, and that's it. You can add as you want. That's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next